What's going on, peeps? New Mr. Tacklebox is in for the month of April. So let's take a look and see what the hell they got. And I gotta say, I got an email from Mr. Tacklebox earlier in the week saying how they changed their shipping provider, which is actually really good because it does come. It doesn't take too long to get here, but sometimes it's pretty fast. Sometimes it's 10 days. If you follow their updates on your tracking, sometimes it updates perfectly, and sometimes it doesn't update at all until it gets to your door, like today. But I will say that this got here way faster than it usually did, and this was still through DHL, but them going through UPS now is going to make a subscription with them way better, and just it keeps the consumer way happier because you know when it's coming. And they only raised the price by $1 or $2, for what I understand. I could be wrong, but it's nothing drastic. So let's take a look and see what we got. Okay, it's definitely a good month. I'm very, very happy. Okay, so let's start off and pull out our card. And I gotta say, there's some pretty nice looking, there's a freaking sweet crankbait in there. So first we're gonna start with the Pro Sunny B-Twin Spin. It's $12.99, and this is really nice. Look at that. So this is looking pretty nice. And that's the Bagley Pro Sunny B-Twin Spin. And that's that. Pretty nice. And next we have the BioSpawn Exo Swim. And that would be these. Look pretty nice. These look like Kitex. Pretty freaking nice. I'm telling you, anything that Ketchco and Mystery Tacklebox brands are doing are pretty legit. I gotta say, they're not sacrificing quality just to pump out some baits. And just because I say nice things about Mystery Tacklebox, first of all, it doesn't mean I'm affiliated or sponsored with them. But it means I legitimately feel this way. If I didn't like something, I'm going to tell you. So these feel pretty nice. They look really good. I could definitely see these things doing some damage. Next we have a spinnerbait trailer hook by Stickies. It's your basic trailer. You got a spinnerbait. Add this thing on there, and it helps out your hookup ratio much better. But also helps you get snagged a little easier too. So you got to make sure you're not doing that. Next we have a Ketchco spinnerbait. So nothing special. It's got a mustad hook. Boom. Sweet. So that's pretty cool. We'll hook up these two together. Next we have and anything by these guys I usually like a lot is Big Bite Baits. So let's see what they gave me. This is a limit maker. It's $2.35. It's a gold minnow, some purple flake, gold flake, and silver flake. These look pretty good. Throw these on like a weighted jig head, or not. Probably throw these on just on a hook. I can definitely see this doing something. Big Bite Baits are really good stuff. I really like these guys' jig heads. Big bite baits have really, really good jig heads. Next, we have a Lucky John chunk tail for $3.99. Nice sparkle to this. Yeah, these look pretty good. So there's these. And that's the Lucky John chunk tail. Alright, next we have a Boyd Duckett BD crankbait. So, you know, anything BD series is pretty damn legit. And it catches the big boys, so look at this. Bang. Pretty nice. It's got a good rattle to it, nothing extreme. And it's pretty rattly. Nice wide square bill, so that's definitely going to be used. And some treble hook holders. You know, you guys that use inflatables and stuff like that, treble hooks are your enemy. So stuff like this is pretty good to have, but you know, once you're actually out on the water, the odds of you either putting these back onto your hooks or using them at all are pretty slim, unless you're completely an OCD person. But, you know, if you can spare the time, you can throw these back on your hooks, and it's not going to get all tangled up in your stuff, and it's pretty sweet. So. And last but not least, we got our sticker. And what we got this month? It's a pixelated bass, which is really cool. It's kind of hard to tell what it was at first, but it's really cool. But that's why I like these guys, because, you know, Mystery Tacklebox, the dudes that run this stuff, and their pro team, like all the guys that do Mystery Tacklebox, they're my kind of guys. They're not these stuck-up dudes that are afraid to curse. They're not afraid to be themselves. One thing I hate about what I'm seeing anymore is, you know, be yourself. I understand kids like fishing. I get it. But, you know, so does the big boys. And if you're not yourself, who are you? And that's one thing about Mr. Tacklebox. They know exactly who they are. They know exactly who they're marketing to. And their products are actually really good. So, and that's why I stick with these guys. So, if you guys like what you saw, leave me a like and subscribe. Don't forget to check me out on Instagram at the NJ Chef. Always put out something crazy that you guys probably more than likely be interested in. So, definitely give it a shot. Definitely give it a look. And as always, happy fishing.